todos, welcome to Spanish with Manuela. In today's lesson we'll be learning places in nature. Are you ready for this? Don't move from there, stay with us. Our first one is going to be sea, mar, sea. Ocean, océano, océano, ocean. Then we have river, río, río, river. Lake, lago, lake. Fantastic. Let's continue. Cliff, acantilado. This one is a bit longer, but I'm sure you will be able to say it. Acantilado, acantilado, cliff. Very good. Then we have beach, playa, beach. Forest, bosque, fantastic. And our last one here will be hill, colina, very good. Our next word is going to be mountain, montaña, very good. Then we have volcano, volcán, volcano. Then we have desert, desierto, desert. Very good. And our last one is going to be sand dune, duna, sand dune. Thank you very much for watching today's video in Spanish with Manuela. If you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned something new, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more content. Adiós!